My name is Tyler Felix, and I am a field technician for Expedited Service Partners. As a field technician, I generally just do whatever I'm told on a day-to-day basis. If we need to move a lot of heavy equipment, I'm more than capable of getting on a forklift or whatever it is to set up equipment. If we need to do fire watch, I usually fill that role out pretty well. I grew up in San Diego, California. When I finished high school, I really wanted to become a firefighter because we had a lot of wildland fires by my house growing up, and it always piqued my interest. So I went to school for 4 years. I got my associate's degree in fire technology. I went through a full-on fire academy. I have my CPR and AED as well, my OSHA 30, and IICRC water drying cert. I worked for Rural Metro Fire Department. I was on their wildland team, and then during the slow seasons, during the winter and spring when we didn't have as many fires, I was a confined space field technician. One day, I reached out to Chris Williamson, who is my uncle, and I knew what he did for work. I was aware of his company, and I really wanted to do storm work. It interested me for a while. 6 months went by, and Brandon Richardson reached out to me, and he offered me an open position. I have a couple hobbies. I really enjoy golfing. I just got into that. I also just bought a Harley, so I'm getting into riding Harleys. I grew up racing motocross, and I did that for about 15 years. For the past 5 years, I started collecting coasters. Every single brewery you go to, they have their own special artwork on their coasters, and my goal is to one day make some sort of coffee table or a bar out of them. What personally motivates me is just my family. My mom, dad, and my sister are really hard workers. My dad, he owns his own mobile detailing business, and he's been doing that his whole life. My mom, she is a nurse, and throughout my childhood, she was in and out of school, getting degrees, making herself better for her career. And my sister, she has her master's degree, and she works with kids that have special needs. And just seeing how hard they work, I always feel like I have big shoes to fill. So they're always a really big inspiration.